To begin using the app, you will need to add farms, fields, and products under Maintenance. Inside Maintenance, click Farms and then Add Farm. Input the farm information and click the check mark in the bottom right corner. Complete this step for each farm. Next, you will need to input the various fields for your farm. Under the Maintenance section, select Fields and then Add Field. You can give your field any type of description you want that's easy for you to remember. Next, you will need to input all the commodities you grow. Under the Maintenance section, select Products and then Add Product. Some examples include corn, apples, cucumbers, tomatoes, green bell peppers, and asparagus. Now you're ready to use the app. Go to the Generate section and simply select which farm, field, and commodity you're harvesting, and the app will create the lot code. The Julian date is a 3-digit identifier for the calendar day of the year, from 1 to 365. This will be auto-created for you. The Notes section is for you to make a note of anything you'd like. For example, heavy rain, signs of infestation, or animal tracks. You can also put customer information in this section. Simply hit the Create button and you'll have your lot code, which can be printed or saved on your phone. The app will also store this information and you'll be able to search by lot codes. The code will look like this: 1119120, representing farm, field, commodity, Julian date, and year. To search for previous lot codes, go into the Reports section and enter your lot code. This will retrieve all information associated with that lot code. Inside the Maintenance section, you can find the assigned IDs for farms, fields, and commodities by selecting that section. If you have an invoicing system, you can simply take the lot code the app creates and insert it into your existing billing system.